Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone guys keyboard hanging problem guys. How can we solve? Friends, you have guys keyboard hanging problems and how to solve keyboard hanging problem in Samsung phone device. Today friends, I will show you. I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, now let's see how to solve Samsung phone guys keyboard hanging problem. So first of all guys, open your phone setting. We will on guys search bar, and then we will show keyboard. So friends, you can see keyboard setting at this icon guy. We will tap here, then guys scroll it. Friends, click on this keyboard to default setting guys. Tap here guys, click on reset keyboard setting and guys tap on keyboard. Then guys your keyboard setting will reset, means guys your keyboard hanging problem is solved. And friends, you can use guys keyboard without any hanging problem in your Samsung phone device guys. So like that guys, we can solve Samsung phone guys keyboard hanging problem. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys.